So what is Character AI recap? So they introduce some interesting features similar to Spotify Wrapped or some other apps in the end of the year, where when you just open up your chats, you see 2023 BC AI, and then you can just tap on it, and then you will see basically the story, which it was just created. It's just depending how much you are using Character AI. And then what you will see is just top characters with which you chatted and messages received here. So yeah, that's just what it is. That's what you will see here. Um, uh, and then there are some bunch of new features, but yep. So that's what it is. It's not that advanced yet. I guess this is just their first try out. I didn't see a lot of stats. I just see my top bots I chatted with and just number of messages. I don't use this app too often, but yeah,